Welcome to That's Greek to Me. Our word for today is charisma. Dear friends, Irene Humin, peace be with you. This is Father Joel Kamaya, Salesian of Don Bosco, and welcome to That's Greek to Me. Our word for today is charisma. In English, charisma means gift or grace. In the New Testament, charisma refers to the spiritual gifts freely given by the Spirit for the good of the community. 1 Corinthians chapter 12, verse 4. St. Paul reminds us, there are variety of gifts, but the same Spirit. Each of us, then, has been entrusted with something unique, whether it be teaching, serving, leading, encouraging, meant to build up the body of Christ. Iba-iba yung mga handog na binigay sa atin. Iba't iba yung charisma natin. Romans chapter 12 verse 6, St. Paul writes, since we have gifts that differ according to the grace given to us, let us exercise them. Now, for us Christians, medyo malalim ang ibig sabihin nitong salita na ito para sa atin, sa pananampalataya natin. It reminds us that our talents are not mere personal skills, but sacred endowments. Gifts entrusted by God for the service of others. Hindi pwedeng ipagdamot natin ito. The challenge is this. How do we live this word today in our discipleship? Do we use our charisms only for ourselves? Or do we let them shine in ways that strengthen our families, our parish, and the wider community? And so let us remember, charisms are not for self-glory, but for service. And that's our word for today. May these words accompany us as we grow in faith. Meron ba mga salita sa Biblia na mas gusto niyong maintindihan at malaman kung ano yung ibig sabihin nun? Pwede kayong mag-comment, magtanong kayo at sasagutin natin yan. And of course, I invite you to like, to share, and to subscribe.